Alright guys, hey, what's up? So we are in, where are we at, Madison?
We're at Houston, Texas.
No, we're in Galveston, Texas.
Oh, Galveston.
That's where we are, sorry. So these are our rentals. We have these two cars. And now this is right here is our bar. We have like a bar setting down here. Oh, we have a grill. We gotta remember that. Okay, and then so over here, this is a picnic table. Oh, Maddie, we have an outside shower. Go show us the outside shower. Is it the outside shower?
Yeah, it's an outside shower. This is the outside shower.
So right here we have like a forklift, whatever, for our suitcases. It is so convenient. All right, guys. So we are going to
Watch how our forklift works. Thomas is putting them up.
Do I press something, babe?
Whoa.
Huh?
Do I press something or you do?
No, I got it.
All right.
Whoa!
Here it comes.
That could be an elevator.
Let me see it. Oh, that's cute.
If I had to think, I'm winning. When is it coming up?
And then we just open it right here. Madison, Manea, can y'all put these chairs around
We
so
could use that
we
as
can
an
sit around
elevator.
like a family? Manea, stop. You're going to fall over. Go over there. Help, Matt Mason. Help with the chairs so we can all sit down like a family. Maverick, do not jump on there. You're going to fall out. This is the coolest little forklift ever. Show you guys how to work that. So now we're going upstairs. My wonderful niece Madison is recording this time. So big shout out to Madison. Doesn't it look so beautiful here in Galveston, Texas today? We're trying to hurry up because we're trying to get into our activities for the day. So, all right guys, so right here, we are at the second level. This is Jamel right here. You guys know Jamel. Okay, so
Hello.
this is the upper deck. Right here is where the forklift comes up at. Super convenient. We just open here. We know how that goes.
That's the forklift from the down low.
And then over here, it's perfect for us, right? Like a group of you. Okay, here we go. Here's our lovely home. And this is all the decor. And over here is big TV. We're gonna come in here. We're gonna do this. This is my sister-in-law sleeping right now. But this is the second bedroom. Right here is the second bedroom. So we'll take you guys to the. Oh yeah.
These are real starfish.
Whose phone is good?
That's Wayne. These are real starfish. They're just like
Are they?
dead. Yeah, they're dead.
Oh,
They're just. Yeah, that'd be so cool.
That's so cool. We can take them home. All right. So this right here, we're coming to the end of our video, guys. Malay, I'm doing a video. Okay. So right here, we have a washing machine, washing dryer. We have a fridge. Madison, show them the view right there, sweetie.
The view right here.
That's our outside view from the dishes. Now we're gonna clean up the last two rooms, and then we are done here. Oh, we didn't do the bathroom. There's a bathroom over there,
Over top.
and then here's the kitty room for all the kitties.
That's that one.
Everyone
That
say
one.
hi.
Hi.
Okay.
Hi, Toto.
Madison, go in. Oh. Show them your bed, Maddie.
So this one's my bed. This one's Manea's bed. Maverick and Janae want to sleep on this one, and then this one's gonna be Mason's bed.
And then we'll do this bathroom. Okay, so this is the last room. This is the room that me and Thomas will be staying in. So it's a lot of open windows, no back deck, let out, but this is great. So I hope you guys enjoyed this room tour. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.